Let's take another look outside at the roads right now. Windy conditions making it a tough morning out on the roads. You can see traffic there moving slowly. Give yourself a little bit of extra time as you head out this morning to work. Let's get back over to meteorologist Sarah Flynn, who's been tracking the winter blast. Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning. Half the battle is the winds out there. The other half is the snow. I wanted to start off showing you this camera in Muskegon. These are sustained winds, by the way, at 25 miles per hour. We have already seen wind gusts in Muskegon upwards of 58 miles per hour. Those wind gusts will remain this morning. It's actually expected to be the windiest time. Still quite breezy into the afternoon, and we'll finally see some calmer conditions arrive as we move into the late evening and overnight. We talk about the winds because, again, it is half the battle. We'll have snow continue to fall out there, but blowing winds is oftentimes what causes that reduction in visibility and treacherous travel on the roadways. Snow is picking up too overnight. If you're just tuning in, we did have some rain followed by some sleet, and now thanks to temperatures dipping below freezing, that has frozen over, and now we have some snow on top of it. You can see some of those heavier bands stretching across portions of Ottawa, Kent, and Allegan counties. At times, visibility is very, very low. At this point, I have not seen it dip below a mile, though. A wider view of Storm Track Live tells the story with this system. It's actually a quick moving system, and what we're dealing with right now is the lake effect. You'll notice well off to our east an ice storm occurring in portions of the northeastern part of the country, and then off to our south we did have some tornado warnings and severe weather late last night into early this morning. We hold on to winter alerts for all of West Michigan counties, areas along and west of 131 in that winter storm warning. Surrounding counties, winter weather advisory. The only difference is really going to be those snow totals, but keep in mind the winds are going to blow that snow around, so all of us going to have pretty difficult, treacherous travel conditions. Looking at the next 24 hours, the snow really does continue through about noon. It tapers off a bit into the afternoon. We'll still have some robust lake effect bands, but we'll start to see this system really wind down later tonight and overnight. As we move towards the middle of the week, more snow chances will develop on Tuesday and Wednesday, but we are expecting this one to be the most severe in terms of totals and in terms of the near blizzard conditions. 4 to 8 inches still expected along and west of 131. Going to be difficult to measure the snow again because of those winds. Areas east of 131, about 2 to 4 inches between now and Tuesday morning. Now, I did mention those midweek snow chances. We'll see another low pressure system dive down. Our flow really continues to pull in these chances Tuesday and Wednesday. This will continue to slide through. Some lake effect continues on the back end of it, and we'll get clipped by yet another system Wednesday. Finally starting to see some drier conditions by the end of the week. So when we're talking grand totals through about Wednesday, a very high likelihood that we're going to see more than 6 inches of snow at the lakeshore. Further inland, maybe a little bit more scattered in terms of those reports. So your 8-day forecast is a busy one, at least to start. Keep in mind our temperatures continue to tumble today. So this 30 is actually occurring right now. We'll be in the 20s for Tuesday and Wednesday, down to 18 as we kick off the new year. Another snow chance may clip us on Friday. Otherwise should be a lot quieter as we move throughout this first week of January. Not expecting any substantial snow chances as we move towards that first weekend.